Hi, I'm John Kennedy with Lutron Electronics, and today we are going to discuss adjusting the timeout settings with the Maestro Sensor LED Plus dimmer. The timeout is the time it takes the sensor to turn the lights out after you have left the room. Timeout options include 1, 3, 5, 15, and 30 minutes. The default for this sensor is 5 minutes. To adjust the timeout setting, first enter Advanced Feature Mode by pulling out the front accessible service switch. This will turn off your lights. Next, press and hold the tap switch and push in the service switch while continuing to hold for 5 seconds until the LED on the dimmer starts blinking, then release. Ensure the bottom LED is blinking and hit the tap switch to select Timeout. Press the raise or lower buttons to move the blinking LED to the desired level. To save your setting, simply press the tap switch. This will save the level and take you back out to the main sensor menu. To exit the main sensor menu, you can press and hold the tap button until the indicator lights stop blinking, wait for 1 minute for the device to time out of the mode, or pull the phase out and push it back in.